In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings and how to make your text easier to read without touching anything else in your document. First, open Adobe Acrobat. Give it a moment to load so all the tools are ready. Up in the top left corner, click the menu, then choose Open. Navigate to the PDF you want to adjust, select it, and click Open again. Your file will appear on screen and you're ready to work. Once the PDF is open, click and highlight the portion of the document where you want the spacing changed. This tells Acrobat which text you intend to modify. In many PDFs, text is organized in separate boxes, so if you don't see the entire paragraph selected, that's normal. Simply drag to highlight the text you want, or click inside the specific text block you plan to edit. Next, click Edit. This switches Acrobat into editing mode. Look over to the left side panel. This is where Acrobat groups its editing tools. Find the section labeled Add Content. Within that section, click Text. This ensures you're working specifically with text formatting controls rather than other elements like images or shapes. Still on the left panel, look for the line spacing control. It may appear alongside other text formatting options like font, size, and alignment. Click the drop-down menu for line spacing. You'll see a list of spacing values. Choose the one that fits your needs. As you make a selection, Acrobat will apply the change to the highlighted text, so you can preview how it looks immediately. You should see the spacing update right away. If the text feels too tight, step up to a larger value. If it looks too spread out, try a slightly smaller one. Keep an eye on how your paragraphs flow across the page, so headings, lists, and paragraphs remain clear and consistent. If your PDF was created from a scan and you don't see editable text, Acrobat may prompt you to enable text recognition automatically. Once it does, the spacing controls will behave the same way. When you're satisfied with the result, confirm the change. Click the on-screen control that finalizes your edit, such as a Done or Apply option, to make sure your new line spacing is committed to the document. That's all there is to it. Open the file, highlight your text, go into Edit, use Add Content and Text on the left panel, adjust line spacing from the drop-down, and confirm your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, more readable PDFs.